Hey, what's up, everyone? Got something kind of cool for you today. We wanted to show you why you should be cutting the roots off of your plantlets. So all of these plants were started from seed from the same plant. They were started at the same time, have been kept in the same cup together, and have been kept in the same conditions. So why would we want to remove the roots from the plants? Typically, plants need roots to grow, right? Not when you're growing on tissue culture. The tissue culture provides all the nutrients that the plant needs to grow, and through direct contact with the media, they can absorb everything they need. So by removing the roots, we can allow the plant to focus all of its energy into developing the plant and not growing root. One of the many great things about growing on plant tissue culture is that you're able to control exactly what the plant is taking in, and therefore you can control what the plant does. Later on, when we want to take these plants out of the tissue culture, they will need roots, and we can manipulate root growth by what we add into our media or what we take out of our media. So you can really see here just how much smaller this little plant is compared to all the other ones. So we're just going to snip the roots right off and tuck it right back down into the media. And we want to see if we can get this little guy to catch up with the other plants. So stay tuned for a follow-up video. We want to see just how well this little plant does now that its roots have been removed, and see if it can catch up with its brothers and sisters.